Now we are the flat owners, proud owners, and happy to be a family of DS Max because people over here, as compared to the other properties, they make us feel at home and they are extremely hospitable, extremely friendly. So happy to be one among the family of DS Max. Namaste, I am Sajni, and this is my dad. His name is Jay Prakash. So basically, I am an Indian classical dancer. I learned Bharatanatyam, and this is like from past 30 years I've been learning, still learning, and I've been teaching from the past 15 years. So I teach Bharatanatyam to my students. So when our Indian tradition is so strong, why not spread it to the new generation to follow it? So that is my main motto. So it's been 30 years since I've been in this field, performing in India and all around the world. DS Max wants to extend their family with many people, so that we actually could see even with the people who work here as well.
Once we walk in DS Max, customers will never go back. They are much satisfied.
They don't try to impose anything on the people who come over here, so that is completely different from what we have actually seen at the other places. And this just happened. It was like, a God saying that this is what is meant for you, so pick it up. So we feel really lucky and happy to be associated with this family. Here I would say that the foundation is definitely Dr. K.V. Satish, because if the foundation is not strong, nothing will stay strong which is being built above it. So definitely the root which is the strongest and giving so much of power to the rest of the people in this company is definitely Dr. Satish. I can see, the traces of him in each and every person whom we are interacted. I'm sure, we are associated with the best of people. So that is an assurance we get by coming here. I'm sure DS Max being such a big brand, they don't have dearth of people to come and pick their property. So it is not necessary for anybody in this company to go down to the same length of the wavelength of the customer and convince them in purchasing a property and give them so much of comfort even before we entered into the property. We always feel what we experience, we need to spread it across to the others as well. If we have the best of our experience, we want the others also to experience the best. So we would definitely spread in the word that if you people are looking out for properties, not properties as buildings, walls and just a house. If you're looking out for something more, people who are more compatible and people who are more hospitable, please go to DS Max. You'll get the best of the properties and you'll get the best of relationships there. Everything else is temporary, whereas being down to earth and true human values is what stays with you till the end of your life. And that I can definitely relate with DS Max and the people who work here. Assurance, comfort, yes, complete package, definitely. I told you we are lucky.